Okay, YouTubers, here it is. I put some stickers on. Put a little customized sticker on there. But anyways, we just lift up the topper. I got the carpet in there. I haven't started building the bed yet. I'm going to put that stuff in the window. But just to show you, you pull out your two-step, put your two-step down. Open up the tailgate. This here, you just open it like that. Pull out my little red rag here. That way it doesn't hurt my knees. Just get on my two-step. And you just crawl in. Just like that. And that latches over. Like so. And this here slides back into the hole. And it comes down. And we turn it on. So that's my door there. Alright, now I'm ready to go camping. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.